Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream truly tasty. To start, always use very cold, heavy cream, ideally straight from the refrigerator. This helps it whip up light and airy. Also, chill your mixing bowl and whisk attachment for at least 15 minutes before you begin. This simple step significantly improves the cream's ability to hold air. Finally, gradually incorporate 1 to 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar as you whip, adjusting to your preferred level of sweetness. Beyond just sugar, there are many ways to elevate your whipped cream's flavor. A classic addition is 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which provides a warm, comforting aroma. For a brighter, more refreshing taste, try adding the zest of 1 lemon or orange. Just be sure to avoid the bitter white pith. And here's a secret. A tiny pinch of fine sea salt can surprisingly balance and amplify all the other flavors, making your whipped cream even more delicious. Achieving the perfect texture is key to delicious whipped cream. For a light, spoonable consistency, whip until soft peaks form, where the cream holds its shape but the tip gently curls over. If you need it to hold its shape for piping or decorating, continue whipping until firm peaks appear, standing straight up. It is crucial to stop immediately at this point, as overwhipping can quickly turn your beautiful cream grainy or even into butter. Now for some creative twists. For a decadent chocolate whipped cream, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder after it's whipped. Or, for an adult-friendly dessert, incorporate 1 tablespoon of your favorite liqueur, like Kahlua or Grand Marnier, for an extra layer of flavor. If you have any leftover, store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your perfectly tasty homemade whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.